The Little Cloud's Big Dream. Once upon a time, in a bright blue sky, a little cloud named Luna dreamed of making a special contribution or snow to the world below. She wanted to do something unique. One day, Luna noticed a group of children playing without any shade. She decided to become a beautiful, fluffy umbrella cloud. Comfortable shade. They laughed and played beneath her, grateful for her kindness. As the sun began to set, Luna transformed into a vibrant rainbow, painting the sky with colors. The children cheered and clapped, thanking Luna for her special gift. She continued to surprise the world with her creative contributions. The end.